can't fix ignorance, and you sure can't heal toxic behavior. Loving someone more won't make them love you back, no matter how hard you try. The truth is, you can't change people. That's a decision they have to make for themselves. Once you understand that, you'll finally find the peace you've been looking for. Stop defending people who keep hurting you. They've already shown you who they are, but you keep pretending not to see it, hoping they'll magically turn into someone different. Think about it. If a wound gets infected, you don't just sit around waiting for it to heal on its own. You take action. You cut it out before it spreads. Same thing applies to people. Stop confusing toxic energy with love. That's not love. That's you settling for way less than what you deserve. And you deserve a whole lot more. It's time to let go of what's holding you down. Focus on yourself and watch your life rise.